Fall is coming. You know what that means. The return of sports ball. Football. Here at Gigaparts, we are so excited about the return of college football. We're starting our fall savings event early for a limited time. For a limited time. Save on items such as this amazing 43-inch monitor, 120 hertz at 4K. At 4K, you can see every single pore. Such an amazing monitor, it has to come with its own remote just to prove that it might maybe be a TV. And it has FreeSync. Or something like this. You can get 10% off of the AC5400 from TP-Link. An amazing gaming router. You definitely don't want your signal dropping out during the big game. And with all of these antennas, it even has beamforming. We're even running around the store and slapping discounts on stuff like this. This is the HyperX Cloudflight S. It's an amazing, and I do mean amazing, wireless headset that allows you to roam around your house sans cord, or without cord if you're not fancy. 7.1 surround sound. This thing is primo. Here at Gigaparts, our goal is to make your big game epic, whether that game is football or something else. So this fall, don't get a penalty by going to the wrong store. Let me say it again, 10% off of tons of items, many of which I haven't even told you about, right here in Gigaparts. This fall, score early, score big, score often, score at Gigaparts. Come on by Gigaparts, where we make all of your gaming, streaming, or monitor solutions super easy. This sale is only for a limited time, so be sure to get here in store as soon as possible. Gigaparts is located at 1426B, Paramount Drive, just past Providence on 72, headed west. Hey, you, stop horsing around. Give me a lap. Foul or whatever they say in football, I don't know. Fall is coming. That means one thing, the return of sports ball. No, football. Super epic computing. Sell everything computers. Sports Enrichment Commission. Score big at Gigaparts Fall Savings Event. Hey, boss man. Yeah. Can I keep the shirt? Yes. Awesome. Such as this. It's a tri-band gaming router. You don't want your signal dropping out during the big game, do you? Score big at Gigaparts this fall.